Good morning. Welcome to a weekday in my life morning routine before work. I like to get up around 6:30, sometimes 6 if I can, but today was a 6:30 a.m. day. I start work around 9 a.m., so that gives me about 2.5 hours to put myself together. So I like to start off by obviously brushing my teeth, flossing, doing my mouth rinse, and we're getting ready to go for a quick walk outside. I like to get fresh air in the morning if I can because I do work remotely. So working from home, if I don't get out in the morning, sometimes I don't see the sunlight until mid-afternoon or even sunset, which just doesn't feel super healthy to me. So I love getting outside in the mornings when I can. There's also this really big hill by my house that I love to walk up because it has a beautiful view at the top. So it's a nice little reward for getting my morning steps in and just getting outside in the sunshine. Next, we're jumping in the shower, and today I'm actually washing my hair. I honestly love my hair wash days because I just love the feeling of clean, fresh hair. I recently got the Monday shampoo and conditioner, and I've never tried this brand before, but I've been using it for about a week now, and I'm really happy with it. For my skincare routine, I like to keep it really simple. I just mainly use hydrating products, and sometimes I use acids, but not on a daily basis. Also, this lip mask from Trader Joe's is the absolute best. For my hair care routine, I like to use a leave-in conditioner and also this blow-dry primer that just makes your hair really shiny and soft. And then we're going to be putting some Moroccan oil in the ends, mainly just to keep it hydrated. Before I go ahead and start my makeup, I'm just going to do a simple little everyday look, starting off with my Color Science SPF sunscreen as my base, a little bit of concealer, a little bit of blush. I've been loving the Rare Beauty blush lately. It's so pigmented, so I just feel like it gives my makeup that wow factor and makes my cheeks look really feminine and flushed. Blow drying the rest of my hair, and then I am just going to be curling it with my curling wand. I cannot use a clamp for my life. I am a curling wand girly forever. It's just so easy to use. So I'm doing little pin curls, and then I'm gonna let these set while I pick out my outfit. Good morning. Okay, we have our curls in. I just rolled them up and pinned them. I do this until they cool, usually like 10 minutes. You can wait like 30 minutes if you want them to be even bouncier and hold more curl throughout the day. But I'm just gonna get dressed and then we're gonna take them out. I have plans later with my cousin. She's gonna come over and we're gonna make like a healthy little dinner. But I'm really just working from home today. Sometimes I go to a coffee shop or I go to my boyfriend's shop, but we're just working from home today. So I still wanna be comfy, but I still wanna look put together. I don't like staying at home all day working in my pajamas, at least not every day. Like I do that occasionally. It just doesn't make me feel put together and it doesn't make me feel professional and disciplined in the way that I want to. I think we're gonna do these comfy cozy pants. They look like put together. They're still really cozy. They honestly just feel like sweats. And then we're just gonna put on this white top. It's so silky, buttery soft. Just got this in black and I loved the material so much. I also got it in white, brown, and I think like a cream color. That hasn't come yet. I will link these down below. They're from Amazon. They were on sale for $9, so steal. Oh my god, wait. Okay, that was like so not practical. Putting on a white top with a full face of makeup. Kind of blend into the background. Let's take these curls out. It really only cooled for about 10 minutes. And honestly, my roots are still like a little bit damp. So it's not my best job. I think she'll look just fine. Woo! And then even though I just washed my hair, I am going to put my favorite dry shampoo. This is the Chia Seed Hask. If you have not tried Chia Seed dry shampoo, you need to try it. This is seriously the best dry shampoo I've ever used. It doesn't give any texture or like, you know, that product-y feel. It doesn't give that. It just gives a little bit of volume, takes away all of those oils. isn't like the most aesthetic breakfast ever. I was even debating like, ooh, should I make something prettier today, like avocado toast? But truthfully, this is what I have every single morning before work. I found these protein pancakes a few weeks ago, and I think the carbs just kind of like settle my stomach in the morning. I've always been like that, just like a little queasy in the morning. If I have like fruit or like citrus especially, I have to have some sort of carb with it. Even like a few weeks ago, I was doing half a bagel with cream cheese in the morning. This is what I'm loving right now. I'm also gonna have this Suja Organics immunity shot. It's just like the vitamin D and zinc one. I got this from Trader Joe's, and we're gonna take this before we have our breakfast. This one really isn't too bad. The ginger is strong. It has like pineapple juice and apple juice in it too, so it kind of mellows it out a little bit. I like to take this one and also the orange turmeric one. I had that one last night. Probably do it again in like the next week or two whenever I'm at the grocery store. I just like to pick one or two of these up. Almost time for me to jump on work, so I'm gonna do a little bit of journaling. This is the gratitude journal that I showed you guys in my last nighttime routine vlog. I love doing this in the morning because it honestly is just a great way to start my day, but it's also something that I look forward to doing at nighttime. And when I don't do it in the morning, I feel like I can't do the nighttime part because it's like wasting half a page. In the morning, they ask you 3 questions I'm grateful for, and then you list 3 things. What would make today great, which I absolutely love because it makes me think about like, okay, what can I do today that would make me feel productive? But also like, what can I do today that would fill up my own cup? And then also positive affirmation. They also give you a little quote every single day. Sometimes it's a weekly challenge. If I had a little bit more time, then I would probably dip into my other journal. This is just a blank journal that I like to basically brainstorm with myself in. I will put anything in here. I kind of call this like a creative journal. Anytime I have a business idea, or I want to plan a reset routine, or just like a new schedule for myself, really anything creative or organization wise goes in here. I've been meaning to make like a reset routine for myself. I don't know why, I just like put that on my to-do list like 2 weeks ago, make a reset routine. I like the quote for today. Genius, that power which dazzles mortal eyes, is oft but perseverance in disguise. I feel like I'm kind of going through that right now because I basically just had a realization last week that I need to change something. I need to change my schedule around. That's honestly why I'm filming this morning routine video, because I wanted to wake up early, get my day started. Truthfully, I just don't feel like I've been grinding. I don't like the word grinding because it's like kind of has like toxic hustle culture associated with it, but truthfully, like I haven't been as disciplined as I want to be with myself the past like 2 years. That's a topic for another time. Yeah, last week I was like, I really think it's time to get my adult little girly pants on, start showing up for myself in different ways, because I've been showing up for myself in other ways the past 2 years, but I just haven't been really prioritizing the things that I need to do to reach my goals. I feel like this perseverance quote is just perfect for me right now, because when you persevere, you just keep going. People look at you and they're like, oh my god, like she's so lucky, or oh my god, she has all these things, and it's like, okay, but perseverance is usually what got the person there, like not every person. But it's just a good reminder, prioritize perseverance, because you're not always gonna feel motivated to do things. Good daily reminder. Okay, I'm gonna get back to journaling.